In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Wix support. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, looking for advice, or just need some guidance, reaching out to Wix support can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account. This is essential because once you're logged in, you'll have direct access to all the features and support options tailored specifically to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one on the Wix website. Once your account is set up, head over to the home page and enter your login credentials. Remember to keep your login information secure and private. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your sites, accessing tools, and, importantly for today's task, reaching out to support. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new to Wix. It can help reduce any confusion later on. Next, look towards the top or the left of the dashboard for the Help option. This is your go-to spot for all things support-related. Click on Help to access the Wix Help Center. This area is loaded with articles, FAQs, and other resources that might answer your questions even before you need to speak with a support representative. Now, once you're in the Help Center, scroll down to locate the Chat with Us or simply Chat option. This is where you can directly contact a support team member to assist you with your concerns. Clicking this will open up a chat window or interface, connecting you to a support representative who can provide live assistance. It's a real-time conversation, so it allows for a more interactive and responsive experience. When chatting, be sure to clearly describe the issue or question you have. The more specific you are, the better the support team can assist you. Have any necessary information ready, such as your